Welcome to Mount Roraima, one of the most amazing mountains on earth. It is located between Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Its flat top makes it look like a giant table in the sky. Clouds surrounded the mountain almost every single day. Many rare plants and animals live only on the mountain. What if a mountain was floating above the clouds? Standing here feels like visiting another planet. It is truly one of the most incredible places nature has created. Subscribe to Unseen Earth and discover more unbelievable places every day.